All right. Our first problem here says, given the equation y equals 2x minus 3, what is the slope? What is the y-intercept? So I can see that this is in slope-intercept form, which means that my constant here is my slope, or is my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is -3. My slope is my coefficient, which is 2. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to write a second linear equation to create a system. So to create two equations with the same variables that has one solution. So if it has one solution, I remember from my notes before that systems of equations that have one solution are lines that have different slopes. So I just need to write any line that has a slope that's not 2. So I could say y equals 5x plus 17. Literally any linear equation that has a slope that's not 2. So, and my reasoning is, the reason is because systems that have different slopes will intersect somewhere. Only one time. So systems that have different slopes will intersect somewhere only one time. Now the next thing I need to do is I need to create one that has no solution. And I remember from the problems that we just did that no solutions mean I'm going to keep the same slope and I'm going to have a different y-intercept. So I just need to have y equals 2x because it has to have the same slope, and then I can pick any y-intercept as long as it's not -3. So I could say y equals 2x plus 11. There, now we're done. So the reasoning is, my explanation is, this is a parallel line. Which will never intersect the first line and is not coincident. Coincident. C-O-I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T. Coincident. So this is the parallel line which never intersects the first line and is not coincident. Now, the last one that I've got here is I need to create one that has infinite solutions. So I remember that infinite solutions means I'm going to have two lines right on top of each other. So this line has to be exactly the same as the first one. Y equals 2x minus 3. And my reasoning is the two lines are coincident. So the two lines are coincident. They're one on top of each other. And that's it. So we've got three more problems here. Two more problems. Go ahead and get those two problems completed. Then you can go ahead and move on, finish up all of your practice, and then you're finished up with this lesson.